Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Roshni Kilwani. Today in this video, I am going to share the recipe of veg fried rice. So let's take a look at the recipe. I have taken a bowl here. Add 1 cup of basmati rice. Add water in it and soak it for half an hour. After half an hour, I have taken a pan here. Add 3 to 4 cups of water in it and add all the rice in it. We have to cook the rice till they are 90% done. Don't overcook the rice. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boil the rice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the rice like this. They are done now. Now I have taken a strainer here. Remove the excess water from the rice and pour some cold water to remove the steam from the rice. Now take another pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, and half a teaspoon of green chilli. You can add more if you want more spicy. Now saute it well for a minute. Now in this, add 2 tablespoons of French beans and 2 tablespoons of carrots. Now mix it well and cook them for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add all the other vegetables. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of white spring onions, 1 tablespoon of onion, 2 tablespoons of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of green capsicum. You can add yellow or red capsicum also, and 2 tablespoons of green peas. Here I have taken the frozen peas. Now mix it well and then add salt as per your taste and mix it nicely. Don't overcook the veggies because we want a crunchiness in them. Now here I have taken a Ching's Schezwan fried rice masala. It is easily available in the market. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of fried rice masala. Mix it well. Now add all the boiled rice over it. Again here I am adding 2 teaspoons of fried rice masala. You can add less or more masala as per your choice. Now mix it well. Mix it very gently so that the rice doesn't break. And lastly, I am sprinkling some water over the rice. And mix it very well and cook for just 2 minutes. And now serve the rice in a bowl. And lastly, I am garnishing the rice with some green spring onions. So our veg fried rice is ready to serve now. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends, and also share your reviews in the comment box given below. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.